Are you tired of being stuck in a dead-end job? Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? If so, dropshipping might be the opportunity you've been looking for. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own dropshipping business on Shopify, even if you have no prior knowledge. I'll share my best tips for researching and selecting a winning product. Then, I'll guide you through the process of creating your online store using Shopify. You'll learn how to set up your store, upload products, and optimize your website for maximum sales. Plus, I'll reveal my best-kept secret for increasing sales and attracting customers. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, then stay tuned and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to focus on is research. You need to figure out what product people are interested in buying. To succeed, you mustn't base your research on influencer recommendations because they often do it to earn some money themselves. So, my best tip for finding a winning product is going to X, formerly known as Twitter. But don't rush and pick one product randomly. There's a method for finding out if it's worth it or not. You need to ask yourself whether this product can solve someone's pain point or issue. The next thing to consider is if you can charge 3 times the amount you paid for it. It also needs to be different so that people stop to see your product. And pay attention to the size of the item, opting for products that are compact and lightweight, making them easier and more cost-effective to ship worldwide. Another way to find the winning product is by going to TikTok. In this app, people tend to make videos using the hashtag #TikTokMadeMeBuyIt. And content creators share some products that are getting hype, and people are likely to buy. Again, repeat the criteria I showed you to see if the product checks all the boxes. Another effective way to tell if there's a market for this product is simply by reading the comments. Users will typically provide you with valuable info, such as if they're interested in buying, or if they wished something about the product was different, and they can even say whether the quality is good, or if they recommend it to other people. Now that you've found the perfect product for your business, you need to do some digging to find a trustworthy supplier. But it is very important to establish with them at the beginning that you're interested in dropshipping it, so they know beforehand. Once you have sorted that out, you'll be very close to starting to sell on your website. But before you can do that, you need to create an online store. There are many out there, but in today's video, I'll show you how to do it with Shopify, since that's the one I like best, and most dropshippers use it. To create the store, head over to their website and sign up. I suggest using a brand new Google account. That way, you'll be able to separate your business from your emails. And keep in mind that if you want to make the best impression, a custom email with your business name will look better. At this point, you should have a name for your business, but if you don't, you can always ask ChatGPT to help you out. So, for example, your prompt can be something like, "Give me 30 business names for a reusable water bottle brand." Then it's up to you to choose the one you prefer. Now you need to create a Gmail account with that name and then head over to GoDaddy to buy your website domain. To do that, simply type the name of your brand and proceed with the purchase. However, the name alone is not enough. You also need a logo so that people can easily identify your business. There are many ways to get a logo, however. If you're on a tight budget, you may start with a free website that can generate a beautiful logo like Ideogram. To create a great logo, make sure to create a detailed prompt with the help of ChatGPT. Copy and paste the prompt to Ideogram and click the following details: typography, magic prompt auto, and aspect ratio 1:1, and select generate. You may choose from the 4 designs. Another way to create a logo is with Canva. Do not worry because you can always do it yourself. With Canva, making designs, it's easy. So just head over there. Make sure you sign up for a free trial of the Pro version so you can use all the tools available. Go to Create a Design and search for a logo. Go to the Elements section and type the keywords you would like to add to your designs. Readjust as needed and a brand name. Be sure not to use more than 3 colors so that they come as clean as possible. Then download it as a PNG file and check the transparent background. Now that you have your logo, don't forget to cancel the free trial to avoid getting charged. The next step is to go to Shopify. Once you've signed up, then you can create your Shopify ID. This part is all about filling in your personal information. Enter all your details and you'll be ready to move on to the following step, which is to upload your product. To upload the product, head over to the marketplace where you found the product you want to sell. So, for example, if you choose AliExpress, my favorite is DSers since it helps you automate the process. For starters, try the free plan and link to AliExpress. After everything is set up, head to Find Suppliers and search for a reusable bottle or water flask. Make sure to sort it by order. Once you have chosen the product, click the Import button and head to Import List and select Push to Store now that you have your product. The next step is to figure out the pricing of the product. There are many things to consider, such as branding, shipping, and your margins. But as I told you earlier, my general rule is to charge 3 times what it's costing me. So for example, if the product cost me $7.83 and the shipping is $5, that'd be $12.83. I need to multiply that number by 3 to get the final price I can sell it for. All you need to do now is enter the price here and double that amount. This is a great strategy because every time your product shows up, your potential clients will see that it's 50% and they'll believe you're making them a good deal. If you head over to the media section, you might see some photos related to your product, and it's up to you to delete the ones you think don't work. And you can go a step further by uploading your photos. Okay, so we're almost done, but you need to make a website so that you can attract potential customers. I suggest you put all the info related to your product in the description, and you can also add some reviews at the bottom. This process should take about 2 hours. A good idea is to create a catchphrase or a sentence that can convince people to purchase your product. The answer might lure them in if that's something they're interested in. But if nothing comes to mind, just use ChatGPT to come up with a highly persuasive text to attract customers. The next thing you need to do is create a chart that will go under the description. Good thing the DSers also let you import the pictures on the description. And here comes my best kept secret to increase sales. I like to add GIFs because they offer a great opportunity to show how my product can be useful quickly. To get the GIFs, I typically go to TikTok, where I can find videos of my product, and then I just need to download them using Snaptic. To turn them into GIFs, I use Jiffy. Once I have my GIFs, I simply drop it on Shopify. For the description, I like to stick to no more than 3 GIFs. Now you should add some reviews because that way you seem more trustworthy and people will feel more encouraged to buy from you. Adding reviews is super simple. Download the Shopify app called AirViews, which you can use completely for free. All you need to do is place your product link from Shopify in the search bar. Then make sure to select the 5-star reviews only and hit on Import Reviews. And just like that, they will appear in your store. So you're pretty much done here. If you set up your Shopify using DSers, then every time a customer purchases from you, you won't need to worry about anything since the product will automatically ship to them. There are numerous ways to attract visitors to your website, and they can be categorized into 2 primary methods: paid and organic traffic. Paid traffic involves using various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your site, such as advertising, affiliates, pay-per-click, and marketing. Organic traffic, on the other hand, is free and relies on methods like social media, blogging, podcasting, and word of mouth. To get started, I recommend focusing on paid advertising on platforms like TikTok, which allows you to target specific audiences and create high-quality ads. Hey, before you go, check this out. I've got another video on your screen right now that's perfect for you. It's all about multiplying your income in ways you might not have considered. If you found today's tips helpful, I'm sure you'll find the next one even more exciting. Give it a click. I promise it's worth your time.